Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Lucy here again, bringing you another video, and today I am going to be testing out a viral TikTok makeup hack. I'm pretty sure you are all well aware of what TikTok is. Me personally, I have never been on it, but for the sake of this video, I did download the app and I went ahead and looked up this beauty hack, and we're gonna try it out today. I personally have never tried it, so we're gonna see how it works. It's supposed to make your makeup last longer and look more flawless without any type of filter. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that today and see what happens. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I am going to be following the same steps that are shown in this video, and right now I don't have anything on my face. I just went ahead and cleansed it, but I am going to start off with my moisturizer just like the video says, and today I'm just going to use this moisturizer from Drunk Elephant. And I'm going to do the second step, and that was to apply translucent powder. Today I'm going to be using this Airspun translucent powder, and to apply that I am going to be using this F21 ColourPop brush. So I'm just going to lightly dab into this, and I'm going to dab it on my face. I really hope this works because I don't know how I feel about applying powder to my pretty much bare face and then still have to apply everything else that I apply to my face in my regular makeup routine. So I'm just gonna make sure that everything in my face is pretty much evenly coated. Now the third step was to apply your setting mist. So today I'm just gonna go in with this MAC Fix Plus. Okay guys, so now the setting spray is completely dry. I am gonna go in one of the last steps here that was said on the video. It's to apply primer to my face. Today I'm gonna be using this Tarte Poreless Primer. I do have to say that so far my face feels very soft, like extremely soft. So I don't know, we might have something here. We might really do. I don't know, I really like how my face feels. I don't know, it's just so soft. Okay, we'll see though. So now that my primer is set, I am gonna go in with the last step that the video says. I am gonna apply my foundation, and to do this today, I'm gonna be using today my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This one is in the shade Honey Bronze. And to apply my foundation, I am gonna be using my Y6 brush from Morphe. Okay, I am a little bit blown away already because my foundation already looks really good, and I'm not even like done, you know, applying everything. So maybe this does work. Wow, I really need to get rid of this mark from where I burnt myself. Let's try to cover that up because it does not look cute. Okay guys, so I finished applying my foundation, and oh my god, I have to say that it looks really nice. I hope you guys can see it also. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so that you can see how it looks. But I really like how it looks so far. I'm kind of blown away. It also feels super smooth, like my face still feels super smooth, and yeah, it looks good. It really does. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go finish off my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back so that we could just finalize some thoughts on this, and yeah, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I did go ahead and just finish off my makeup. To be honest, I am blown away. It just looks honestly like if I had a filter on, which I don't. This is how my skin is looking. I think this is one of those makeup hacks that actually does work. So if you haven't tried it already, definitely give this a try because so far it's really good. I really like how it's looking. I am gonna go ahead and give you guys an update as to how it wears throughout the rest of the day. Right now it is 4:30, so I am gonna just wear it for the rest of the day. I know it's a little bit later on the day, but I usually don't take off my makeup maybe until like 9 or 10 p.m. So there's still a good time for me to wear it and just give you an update as to how it wore for this time. I'm really gonna go ahead and test this out. I am gonna go ahead and do a little bit of yard work with my makeup, and yeah, I'll give you an update later on. So I am actually just gonna go ahead and pin a comment at the bottom of this video so you guys can know if it wore nicely for the rest of the day or if it was a flop. So yeah, definitely check the comment section to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I loved hanging out with you like always. I hope you all are doing well. Remember, just be kind to one another. I hope to see you guys very soon, and remember to stay scrumptious.